Taming the Lego Chaos, a guide to order. Legos. They are more than just toys. They spark joy and creativity, igniting the imagination of children and adults alike. But they can also bring chaos, turning a room into a minefield of tiny bricks. Fear not. This guide is here to help you bring order to the chaos. We'll explore simple and effective ways to organize your Legos, making cleanup a breeze. Get ready to say goodbye to clutter and hello to peace and tranquility. This is your roadmap to Lego Serenity, where every brick has its place. We'll break down the process into easy, manageable steps. From sorting by color and type to finding the perfect storage solutions, you'll learn how to create a system that works for you. Get ready to transform your Lego collection from a mountain of plastic into a source of pride and joy. Let's dive in and create a space where creativity can thrive, free from the clutter. Welcome to Serene Shelter, finding peace with Legos. At Serene Shelter, we believe in creating homes that are both beautiful and functional, a place where every item has its own spot and every family member feels at ease. A well-organized Lego collection embodies this philosophy. It's not just about tidiness, it's about creating an environment that fosters creativity and peace. It's about creating a space where kids can play freely and parents can relax. A harmonious balance where everyone can enjoy their time together. Imagine this. Your child asks for a specific Lego piece. No more frantic searches or scattered pieces. Instead of dreading the search, you calmly point them to the clearly labeled bin. It's a simple solution that brings immense peace of mind. This is the power of organization. It's about making life easier and more enjoyable for everyone. It transforms frustration into joy and chaos into calm. A well-organized space is a gift to the whole family. Let's work together to make your home a serene shelter, one Lego brick at a time. Join us in creating a sanctuary of peace and creativity. Sorting, the first step to Lego harmony. Sorting is the foundation of any organized Lego system. Start by gathering all your Legos. Yes, all of them. It might seem daunting, but trust the process. Now the fun begins. Decide on your sorting categories. You can sort by color, size, set, or even by project. Choose what makes sense for you and your family. Remember, there's no right or wrong way. Sorting takes time, but it's time well spent. It allows you to take inventory of what you have and sets the stage for stress-free building in the future. Storage solutions, giving every brick a home. Once you've sorted your Legos, it's time to find them a home. Clear storage bins are a lifesaver. They allow you to see what's inside without having to dump everything out. For smaller pieces, consider using drawer organizers or tackle boxes. These are great for keeping tiny treasures contained and easy to find. Don't forget about vertical space. Utilize shelves to maximize storage potential. You can even use wall-mounted organizers to create a Lego display. Labeling, your secret weapon for Lego control. Labels are your best friend when it comes to Lego organization. They make it easy for everyone in the family to find what they need and put things back in their place. Use clear and concise labels. You can write directly on the bins or use adhesive labels. Get creative. Let your kids help design the labels to make it a fun family activity. Remember, a well-labeled system is key to maintaining order and preventing future Lego chaos. Maintenance, keeping the Lego chaos at bay. Congratulations, you've successfully organized your Legos. This is a huge accomplishment and you should be proud. Now, the key is to maintain that order. Consistency is crucial to keeping the chaos at bay. Make it a habit to sort and put away Legos after each play session. This small step can make a big difference. Encourage your kids to participate in the cleanup process. Involvement fosters responsibility and teamwork. Make it fun by turning it into a game or a race. Who can put away the most pieces in a minute? The more involved they are, the more likely they are to keep things tidy. It becomes a shared family activity. Regular maintenance is much easier than tackling a mountain of Legos all over again. Prevention is better than cure. A few minutes of tidying up each day can save you hours of frustration in the long run. Consistency is key to a clutter-free playroom. Building a brighter future, one brick at a time. Organizing Legos is about more than just creating a tidy space. It's about fostering creativity, teaching responsibility, and creating lasting memories. When Legos are organized, kids can focus on the joy of building without the frustration of searching for lost pieces. It empowers them to bring their imaginations to life. So, take a deep breath, grab those bins, and embark on your Lego organization journey. You've got this. What are your favorite tips for organizing Legos? Share your thoughts in the comments below.